Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand Guidewire PolicyCenter and the Policy Lifecycle. If you are a software tester working in the insurance domain or preparing for Guidewire interviews, understanding the Policy Lifecycle is very important. We will explain how a policy moves through different stages like new submission, policy change, renewal, cancellation, reinstatement, and rewrite. PolicyCenter is one of the core applications in the Guidewire insurance suite. It is used by insurance companies to create, manage, and maintain insurance policies throughout their life cycle. PolicyCenter helps insurers manage customer policy information, policy creation, policy modifications, renewals, and cancellations. In simple terms, PolicyCenter manages the complete life of an insurance policy. For example, when a customer purchases car insurance, the policy is created and maintained in PolicyCenter. A policy does not stay the same throughout its lifetime. It goes through several stages called the Policy Lifecycle. The main stages in PolicyCenter include new submission, policy change, renewal, cancellation, reinstatement, and rewrite. Let's understand each of these stages one by one. New submission is the process of creating a new insurance policy for a customer. During this stage, customer details are entered, the system generates a quote, premium is calculated, underwriting rules are validated, and finally, the policy is issued. For example, if a customer buys new car insurance, that process is called new submission. Policy change is also called mid-term adjustment, or MTA. This means modifying an existing policy during the policy period. Some examples include changing the customer address, adding a new driver, updating vehicle details, and adding or removing coverage. When a change is made, the system may recalculate the premium based on the new information. Renewal happens when the policy term is about to expire. The insurance company sends a renewal offer to the customer. If the customer accepts the renewal offer, the policy continues for another term, usually 1 year. This process ensures that coverage continues without interruption. Cancellation means terminating the policy before the end of the policy period. A policy can be cancelled for several reasons, such as customer request, non-payment of premium, fraud detection, or underwriting issues. In some cases, the customer may receive a refund depending on the cancellation type. Reinstatement means reactivating a cancelled policy. For example, if a policy was cancelled due to non-payment, the customer may later pay the premium. In such cases, the policy can be reinstated and become active again. Rewrite means creating a new policy using the information from an existing policy. This usually happens when major changes are required in the policy. There are two types of rewrites: rewrite full term and rewrite new term. This process allows insurers to create a new policy while maintaining previous policy information. To summarize, the PolicyCenter life cycle includes several stages that manage the policy from creation to termination. These stages include new submission, policy change, renewal, cancellation, reinstatement, and rewrite. Understanding these transactions is very important for software testers working on Guidewire projects. If you want to learn more about Guidewire testing, PolicyCenter scenarios, and real project examples, make sure to subscribe to the channel.